Hello and Assalamu alaikum. As we promised, we are bringing this new video on English writing skills. Do you want to know how to improve your English writing skills? Do you want to know how to write correct sentences without it being a painful task? So this new video is the answer to all these questions. We will tell you amazing tools to give your writing career a huge boost. These amazing tools will give you freedom of writing. Here are some tips to help you to feel more confident with writing and improve your English writing skills. Technique number 1. Make reading a habit. Give priority to reading. Just as we say that listening is closely related to speaking, similarly, reading is closely related to writing. So, our number one tip for improving your English writing would be to read as much as you can. This will help you improve your vocabulary, grammar, sentence structure, and show you there are many different ways to communicate ideas. For example, if you need to write on a description of a house or bio of yourself, a great idea is to read some other bios and house description from books, magazines, brochures, internet, Google. Google is a very friendly version. Whatever source you have or you can think of. After having read others, then you can attempt to write your own. You realize it will be much easier to write over the topic and you can imagine the new ideas and bring in creativity and jot it down. So make reading a priority. Technique number 2. Start using online English dictionaries. Here I am telling you the most amazing free tools available online. Number 1. www.dictionary.com. Number 2. www.freedictionary.org. Number 3. www.thefreedictionary.com. These free sites are amazing tool to improve your English writing skills and yet useful. You will be able to look up words to clarify their meaning, to learn antonyms and synonyms so as not to repeat words and phrases, which will better your communication skills. These sites have also option of speaking so you can play to listen the correct pronunciation. Out of these above three sites, the free dictionary site has the option of both the speakers, both American and British accent. Start using it in your daily life. So don't forget to press speaker sign available to correctly pronounce the word. Technique number 3. Making a habit of writing a paragraph every day. Select a topic of your choice and try to write at least 500 word counts before writing it. Try to search that topic on the tools that I'm going to tell you. Then you can see and read how it has been written nicely. Firstly, you can use Google, www.google.com. That is a very common and familiar search engine, and Google is a friendly version. Second option is www.google.co.uk, and third option is scholar.google.com. Technique number 3. After writing a paragraph, check it on the free online tool. Firstly, start using www.gingersoftware.com/grammar. It's a free grammar checker online. And second option is www.grammarly.com. This Grammarly is completely tool to check your spellings, suggest you corrections. On the right hand corner mentions you correctness, clarity, engagement, delivery and overall score. It gives you the status of all these heads. So what are you waiting for? Start using our guideline and practice more till you become an expert. Hope this video will be useful for you. Please let us know your reviews by comments. Also subscribe our channel Likey. For more informative videos, like and share our videos. Thank you.